Good morning, children. This is Ritu here. We are going to start Beehive with the poem Wind. See, children, here the topic wind. Here it is personified as a strong person. Wind is personified. Personified. What is personification? When the human trait of a person is compared with a non-living thing, it is called as personification. So it is personified as a strong person. So let's start with the wind. Wind, come softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. So the poet is telling, this is written by Subramanya Bharti. So Subramanya Bharti is telling wind. Wind, come softly. Wind is an inanimate object. So as a person, it is telling wind that come softly, wind. Wind, you have to come softly. Appeals to the wind to blow softly. Don't break the shutters of the window. Be aware that you do not break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. So while you are blowing, don't scatter. While you are blowing, don't scatter the papers here and there. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. While you are blowing, don't throw the books which are there on the shelf here and there. There, look what you did. Now the poetess is telling that what you have done. Look what you have done. You have thrown all down. You have thrown them all down. You have destroyed everything. You tore the pages of the books. You have torn the pages of the books which were there on the shelf. You brought the rain again. You have brought the rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Poking fun means, write down the meaning of it. Poking fun means making fun. What do you mean by it? Making fun. Poking fun means making fun. You are very clever. You are stands for wind. You are very clever at making fun of the weaklings. Weaklings means weak people. Weak people. You are very clever at making fun of the weak people. Frail. Again, frail means weak. Weak. Crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling woods, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. This all stands for the weak. So you are very habitual of making fun of the weak people, whether they are the weak crumbling houses, weak crumbling doors, weak crushing rafters, sloping pieces of the rafters means sloping pieces of the wood that support the roof, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, weak lives, or their hearts. Hearts, Hearts, or their hearts. The wind god winnows. What do you mean by winnows? Separating the grain from the chaff and crushes them all. What does this line mean? The wind god winnows and crushes them all. The poet expresses her anger. Okay, and she says that the strong wind changes into storm, and it winnows and seems to continue his destruction mission completely. So the poet compares the wind to the god who expresses his anger. Okay, and the strong wind changes into the storm and crushes everything easily. Now take the second paragraph. He won't do what you tell him. He stands for whom? The wind. Wind won't do what you tell him. So come, let's build strong houses. So poetess says that he won't do what you tell him. Wind is not going to obey your orders. So what we have to do? We have to change our attitude. So come, let's build the strong homes. Why to build the weak home? Why to build the weak houses? Okay, so let's bring the strong homes there. Let's join the doors firmly. Practice to firm the body. Make a strong body. Make the heart steadfast. Steadfast means make the heart steadfast. So means it should, steadfast means it should be strong enough. So we should make our heart strong. Do this, and if we are going to do all these things, and the wind will be a friend with us. If we are going to practice all these things, the wind will become the friend with us. It will become a friend. Okay, the wind blows out the weak fires, because wind is the enemy of the weaklings. It blows out the weak fires. It blows out the fire which is weak. He makes strong fires roar and flourish. The fire which is strong, and when the wind blows, it roars the strong fire. His friendship is good. So the poetess says that his friendship is very good. Okay, we praise him every day, and we are going to praise the wind every day. So what is the theme of the poem, children? The theme of the poem is that if we are going to be weak in our life, anybody like a wind can come and can destroy us. But if we are going to be a strong person in the life, even the wind, the challenge, even the wind as a challenge can be our friends. Is that clear? The challenges, they are going to become our friends. Is this clear, children? If you have any problem, you can talk to me. Thank you, children. This is all for today.